There's your new mirror you bought installed versus the one that broke out. Because see, it's got that stud right there in the middle that goes up in the housing in the roof, and that breaks out. It's real common on these Hondas to break out. So when it breaks out, that breaks out of that housing. There is, let me see if I can find it here. There it is. This housing here, there's a metal ring that goes inside that housing. Well, so the metal ring goes in that housing like that, but it rips out. And that's where that screw goes. Is this housing, that screw comes out and it goes through the housing into the mirror housing. Well, it rips it. When it rips out of this housing, it's no good. So then you got to replace the whole mirror, because you can't buy just this housing piece. Even though the mirror is still perfectly good. So there you go. That's how you replace that. That's a common problem here on these Honda Accords, and on your also Civics on the rear view mirrors. If y'all find this video useful, or if you liked the video, please let me know in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought it was helpful or useful, and it may have helped you all out on if somebody out there's got a Honda. As always, like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a great day.